Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, I mean, price did engulf the previous doji candle right here, and we definitely do have a nice 5 waves up. So we do need to keep an eye out for sorts, possibly on sort of time frames, cautiously though, because the trend is definitely still up on all these higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. This move up kind of looks more like a trend, but if it does go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, if we do get like a big trend reversal, like a big engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, I think we should try to take it as a short. And then when we go short, which it may not be doing it now, it may drift up more. It could go up to any one of these trim levels. But then when we go short, hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether the daily time frame is reversing or whether this is all still just part of a pullback to the uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.